Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yes, but sobrang bango. Ano yun? Ikaw ba yun?
Ano bango?
Sobrang bango. Sobrang bango na eh. Baho na siya. Someone is gonna get their facial today. That's her. Because she got pimple face. And she's a teenager already, so she hates it. She doesn't even like it. Look at her face. She's so mad. She said she doesn't have a choice. Well, she don't. Yeah, she's gonna get her facial, and together with her dad, they're both gonna get their facial. And I was gonna do a microblading. Micro-needling. It's too expensive for me. That's just next time when I'm ready, or like when I really want it, done. I'm still thinking right now, but they're both gonna have their face. Ano ba tawag nun? Facial. They're gonna both have their facial today. Yes. And it's gonna be her tita. Her aunt's gonna do their facial. She does all sort of beauty stuff like facial, micro-needling, eyelashes, extension, all those stuff. She does, and she does it at home. So. Oh my God. Galit na galit yun ayaw eh.
Abo, nakasalang na agad.
Oo, salang na agad. Wala nang ano-ano. Wala. Ah.
Ano ba,
Tingnan mo mukha.
oh my God, nagpipimple na. Dalaga na si Denise. Ano taon na ba ito?
Magti-13 na. How's that? Good, very good. Hi you guys. Update. We're not going to Chinatown. We're not going to eat Chinese food. We're going to eat seafoods. We're going to Angry Crab. So that's what we're gonna do today. Angry Crab. Rawr. Ay. Yeah, we're gonna go eat that Angry Crab. That's in the north side, so let's go. Can't wait to do this because I know it's gonna be delicious. Oh. See you guys there. We're here. Look at my mommy. Mano mano. Mano to Lola. You have to bless my
Camera.
This is a video. You been here, Ma? You been here?
Ma. Get your stuff there.
We're going here. Yay. Angry Crab.
What? eat it. Huh?
Yum. We're leaving now. We're gonna bless Mama. Bless.
Okay. Denise.
Denise, where's the bless? There. Bye. Bye, Christiana. Bye, Ma. Bye, Kuya. Thank you. Bye, Denise. So we're done eating at the Angry Crab. We're busog, full. Let me see. Mom gave us this cups. Looks so pretty. Look at that. They're huge for coffee. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. I love you guys. You don't know how much I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Bye.